free or paid OnlyFans subscriptions, or both? All right, well, it depends if you want to flex numbers, if you want to show off how many subs you have, or if you actually want to make money. If you want to make fucking money, then you're going to have a paid subscription, and here's why. The paid subscription acts like a qualifier. Simps can come in, and when they sign up, you know that they have money because they've paid a subscription to access your OnlyFans account. If you have a free subscription, it's like opening the floodgates. You're letting everyone in, and about 80% of them don't have any money. So you're going to waste all this time chatting to them in the DMs to find that, fuck, they don't even have any money. They're going to give all these fucking different excuses. But if you have a paid subscription, it doesn't even matter how much the subscription is. By getting these guys to pay something to access your OnlyFans account, then you at least know that when you're spending time chatting to them in the DMs, you at least know that they've paid something, you at least know that they've got money, and that they've got a payment method linked. So then you're not wasting all this time with guys who don't even have two pennies to rub together. Once you've got that dialed in, then you can run both. You can have a free and paid, and you can use the free OnlyFans account like a funnel to funnel simps to the paid OnlyFans account. But if you want to get down to business and you're still kind of starting out and you just want to make money, I advise you to set up a paid subscription only. You'll see a lot of girls taking screenshots of their account, and they'll have like 15,000 subs, and you'll see 120 DMs on their notifications. You'll see, the little icon with like 120 above their messages. But then they'll show the earnings revenue, and they'll be like top 10% because they're making fuck all. They're spending so much fucking time with all these messages and all these dudes that don't have any money because they've got a free subscription. But hey, they get to show off how many subscribers they have, but at the end of the day, they're making fuck all. So, paid subscription only, and only when you've got that dialed in, then you can run a free account as well. This won't be until you've got all the social media and the marketing and the chatting all outsourced and dialed in. Then you'll run both. But that's the only reason you would have a free subscription at all. Otherwise, it is just paid. Now, for the paid subscription, this isn't where you're relying on much of the income to come from. You only want the subscription to be like 15 to 20% of the actual earnings each month. But to save yourself some dignity, I would recommend charging between $8 to $18 per month for the subscription, just to give yourself a bit of dignity. You don't want to have a $3 subscription because then it might as well be free. You're letting in dudes who still don't have fuck all money. Yeah, they've linked some kind of payment method to it, but they're probably using their rent money to even pay the subscription. So you're going to waste your time with them as well. But by charging $8 to $18 for the subscription, you're doing both. You're qualifying them and making sure that they've at least got enough disposable income to be able to buy content from you if you want to charge high ticket pricing, which I would recommend. None of this cheap shit. Have some respect. If you're going to do OnlyFans, do it properly and at least make a killing from it like you deserve, all right? So that's it. That's my advice. If you liked it, go smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in another video.